Hey Guru Nation, how's it going? Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share. Really means a lot to me. Today I got a question actually on YouTube. It's a YouTube comment, and it's a good one. And the person asked, for an interim monitoring visit, what is standard? Is it 100% source data verification, 100% source data review, or is it a sample? And the answer is both are equally common. I would say risk-based monitoring is something that really brought upon this strategy. Probably around 2016 is when the strategy started happening with risk-based monitoring, where the idea was, hey, let's increase efficiency. Let's just monitor a sample of the data based on the monitoring plan, and I'm going to get into that in a little bit. Let's just monitor a sample. If we notice issues, then let's focus more on those issues in the other patients where we didn't monitor. So prior to 2016, it was almost all 100% source data review. And now I want to say it's about 50-50. Risk-based monitoring is definitely a strategy. If you're a site, they're not even going to necessarily tell you what kind of strategy they're using unless you ask. I usually ask at the site initiation visit, is this risk-based monitoring? Is this 100% source data review? As a CRA, really, it's basically the same thing. I mean, your work is not going to be less because what they're just going to do is give you more sites, right? Or more, I mean, at the end of the day, it's not helping the CRAs very much to do risk-based monitoring, but it is a strategy that is occurring. Why? Because you can maximize efficiency. You can free up more of the CRA's time. You can do proactive things too, like avoid potential problems, stay on top of the site more, or you can monitor more sites. You can give them more sites. So you don't know the answer to this until you look at the monitoring plan. And the sponsor and the CRO come up with the monitoring plan. But remember, the sponsor is the one responsible for the monitoring plan. And by the way, the monitoring plan can change. And by the way, we haven't even talked about the risk profile for each site. So the more sophisticated CROs and sponsors, they'll change a site's monitoring strategy based on their risk. So if initially, let's say it's 60% source data review, source data verification for one site, and another site might be 40% source data review, source data verification. If that one site with 60 is starting to have some issues like protocol deviations, then they're going to increase it. I've seen other monitoring plans where it's 100% source data verification until the first 3 subjects reach a certain visit in the study, and then it becomes like 60% or 20%. And also in the monitoring plan, they will focus on specific things that they want covered, like 100% informed consents, 100% AEs, 100% con meds. It just varies based on the monitoring plan. At the end of the day, as a site, you almost don't even know unless you ask. And as a CRA, you're definitely going to know because you have to adhere to the monitoring plan. But it's not like it's necessarily going to make your life easier. So great question. Thank you for that. I'll catch you guys later. Keep them coming. Bye-bye.